Let's write the balanced net ionic equation for NaI plus Br2. We have sodium iodide, and this is molecular bromine, also called diatomic bromine. So the first thing we need to do, we need to balance the molecular equation. You can see that we have these two iodine atoms here and just one here. So I'll put a 2 in front of the NaI. That balances the iodines, but now I have two sodiums, just one here. Put a 2 here, that balances the sodiums. We have two bromines, and here we have two bromines. That's the balanced molecular equation. Now we can write the state for each substance. That'll look like this. So compounds with sodium, they'll be soluble, they'll dissociate into their ions. We say they're strong electrolytes. The bromine, that's going to be aqueous, but it's molecular. It's not going to split apart. And the iodine won't split apart either. That'll be aqueous, although maybe if you heat it up, it will leave as a gas. So those are the states. Now we can split the strong electrolytes into their ions for the complete ionic equation. That looks like this. So this is the complete ionic equation. So now we can cross out the spectator ions. They're on both sides of the complete ionic equation. So I can see in the reactants I have two sodium ions here and two sodium ions here in the products. Those are spectator ions. We can cross those out. Everything else is unique. So this is the net ionic equation for NaI plus Br2. Let me clean this up, write the states. We'll have our net ionic equation. So this is the balanced net ionic equation for NaI plus Br2. Note we didn't split Br2 apart or I2 apart since they're molecular compounds. We've left them as aqueous here. It's likely that they would be dissolved in the water but wouldn't break apart. They'd stay together as Br2 or I2. Note that the charge is balanced. We have 2 times 1 minus. That's 2 minus in the reactants, and then in the products 2 times 1 minus. So the charge is the same on both sides, and the atoms, they're balanced as well. This is Dr. B with the balanced net ionic equation for sodium iodide plus bromine. Thanks for watching.